Good afternoon, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. We wish all our viewers and readers a very happy Diwali. In today's news, we will be covering news about Samsung's AI model, GOS introduction, Walt Disney's position in the Indian market, Meta's restrictions on AI advertising, Pixel storage issues, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below, and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Samsung reveals its new AI model, GOS, at its AI forum. GOS encompasses features to generate text, images, and code designed for integration into Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 phones, named after famous mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss. Created by Samsung Research and comprises three tools: GOS Language, Samsung Image, and GOS Code. Aims to offer innovative AI capabilities in future devices, sets the foundation for enhanced AI-driven features in Samsung's products. Next, we have Disney's CEO Bob Iger confirms the company's commitment to the Indian market, clarifies that Disney's linear business in India is profitable despite operational challenges, considering various options to strengthen Disney's position in the Indian market, acknowledges that certain segments pose challenges for the company, firmly states Disney's intention to enhance its presence in India, reiterates the profitable nature of its linear business in the country, suggests ongoing consideration to improve the challenging segment of the Indian market. Reports hint at Wipro considering the exclusion of salary hikes for high-earning top performers. The decision could affect top performers with higher compensations. The move is suggested for Wipro's largest business line, allegedly based on a selective approach to merit salary increases. Details emerge from an internal memo by Nagendra Bandaru, managing partner of the enterprise futuring business line. The selective MSI rollout is based on business affordability. The selective MSI rollout aims to align with business considerations. Meta announces restrictions on the use of generative AI advertising tools. Aim is to prevent election misinformation by barring certain industries. Industries like housing, employment, credit, politics, and health aren't permitted. These ad creation tools can't be used for specific types of ad campaigns. Restrictions extended to social issues, health, pharmaceuticals, and financial services ads. Efforts to prevent misinformation spread through advanced advertising tools. Measures set to control ad campaign content and messaging. Multiple Pixel device accounts lead to severe storage problems. Users report limited or restricted access to data, rendering some devices unusable. Bug affects some devices compared by users to ransomware. The Android backup system and dual partitions pose limitations. Reports of severe storage-related bugs affecting multiple accounts Users express concern over restricted data access. Bugs significantly impact device usability for certain users. Next up, we have Asus officially introduces the new ExpertBook laptop series. Features three models: B9 OLED, B56 OLED, and B54 laptops, and powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core processors, intended to enhance productivity and security for modern business users. B9 OLED particularly stands out due to its lightweight design. These laptops offer impressive battery life and fast charging support, tailored for professional on-the-go users seeking performance and style. At last, Google strongly advocates for Apple to adopt RCS, universal messaging standard, urges Apple to consider interoperability with other messaging platforms, emphasizes iMessage exclusivity as a strategic move, highlights the need for cross-platform messaging and enhanced interoperability. Features of Apple's iMessage remain exclusive to Apple devices. Google urges Apple to allow more messaging services to benefit from enhanced features. Highlights the importance of iMessage, significant user base, and its role as a gatekeeper. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।